you don't waste money this year. Okay.
Waste my time, I'm blowing up my life. It's ain't real and baby I'm cool. Seen it one too many times. I know how to.
So I just came back from buying a few things. I couldn't find avocado because they had like apple 5 and 6 and they were literally costing an arm and leg, so I was like, I'm not gonna buy that. So I bought bread and the sauce I was looking for. I bought some pork fingers, as you can see. Skole. I'm currently not hungry, so I'm not gonna make anything to eat. Let's just go and buy avocado because it's just one loose avocado, and we are boom.
Tell you about this girl, maybe I should. I met her in Philly, and her name was Brian. See, we be making love constantly. That's why my eyes are shade. Blood burn. The way that we kiss isn't like any other way that I be kissing when I'm kissing what I'm missing. Won't you? Brown sugar, babe. I guess high up your love, I don't know how to tell me your brown sugar. I want some of your brown sugar. I want some of your brown sugar.
Hey man, talk that shit out. Hey. About to get ate up.
Hey, niggas ain't gotta respect. Niggas just gotta accept. I put that top left. I love my cruddy to death. Hype Williams, no X. If he don't say it, the record, give a fuck. Yeah, yeah. I put some ice on her hand. I let her take it in advance. She wasn't going as planned. I put her shit in the van. She gotta move with a friend. But she went back to her man. Give a fuck. I just put a wagon in the driveway, you know I did. When I shoot my shot, it's still go wild way it's going in. Me and little sicko sitting sideways, breaking tents. Used to be an antisocial nigga, now I'm making friends. I just got a mansion out in Texas, and it's a beachfront. If she bringing 4 friends, I know I hit at least one. Got them all tanning by the pool, and they greased up. Police in my city, man, I keep their pockets greased up. Me and Capo trying to leave, I'm walking piece to Easter. Ain't nobody making too much money on the beach stuff. But I be for rapper cause I'm never with the sweet stuff. Johnny came from Mexico, she knows she got the sweet stuff. Hey, niggas ain't got respect. Niggas just got
So hi guys, welcome back. I noticed when I was editing this vlog, I didn't do a proper intro, so I'm really sorry about that. So hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Shandina Mcebo, and I go by the name it's Mcebo here on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. So kindly do follow my socials and subscribe. With that being said, let us jump straight into this video. So I'm attending an online lecture. So I'm preparing to go to the library for better internet connection. Tell me you're a girl. But my skin is still pea. But now. And Konamanye guys, okay, this is my towel. Konamanye guys, like, I'm not sure if you can see them here. Like, I'm about to get my period, so that's why I will be attending my lecture. I have one now at 8:30 and another one at 1:45. So they're both online. So basically this semester we are doing hybrid. Basically, 1 week is online and the next one is on campus, basically. So yeah, like I prefer that. You know, like going to campus can be so annoying at times. Like I do not want to lie. Me no vuge early. Ugh, I don't know. I just don't like it personally. So yeah, that's what's up, guys. I think he kept on eyeing turned because my skin is just it's a oh, I'm wearing this cute little dress. I love this dress so much, and now is the time for us to wear our dresses because it's summer, and once in winter in Ghana get sun, get sun. Hi, bag. That's all I can say. Hi, bag. Yo, guys, like I can't believe this. Yeah, I have a sit-down video to edit, so I have to do that when I come back from campus after attending my first lecture, because I have two. I have to edit that video. It's a sit-down video. It'll be up after this one, after this vlog. Like there are a lot of things I want to try out this year. Mina, I don't believe in this thing of having a niche, and I don't lie, last year since I was new, so I was taking any form of advice I was getting from these other YouTubers. Nanani, find your niche, find your niche. If you want to try everything, guys, try everything. No one is perfect. Wearing my watch from Kelso. So yeah. Oh, by the way, my earrings are from Edgar's. I love Edgar's and Fushimi, just so you know. And yeah, so I'm going to edit that vlog, make a thumbnail when I'm on campus, and edit it because it has to be up on Friday. And I think if Friday is on the 9th or 10th. But yeah, it's gonna be up. So if you're watching this vlog and you haven't watched the sit down video, it's things to know as a university student moving to Cape Town. I normally wear my watch like this, and my mom is like, so now I'm doing it like this now. Nothing Ben 10. But yeah, and they bore me, you know. But hey, anyhow. So this is how my skin is, you know. Some under eyes, cause I feel like lady, so yeah, this is how I look. Like I'm really happy with my skin, I don't wanna lie. So I have to make a breakfast now, and I'll catch y'all in the flip side. Oh wow. Oh wow. Yo. Let me just deal with this and it's 7:15 and wait, let me just get dressed. I want to check something, wait. So I just realized that I should get more sleep, and my hair looks like a mess because I was resting. I did not sleep, I was resting. So I'm waking up, there's no electricity, there's load shedding, and I am really hungry. You don't get to give 5 reason because 1, I stay alone. 2, I've been having my up and down with my appetite. So I don't want to waste money. We don't waste money this year. Okay? We don't waste money. That's on period. I'm gonna go to KFC and buy a Crunch Collective. Cause Sana, I love KFC. McDonald's for the iced coffee. Burger King for the burgers. Period. Don't get it twisted. Don't get it twisted. Thank you. So my lips are really dry. But yeah. 8. So let me just go. So today I attended my lectures. 2, I managed to finish editing that video. I just have to add subtitles. Guys, creating a thumbnail was so hard. Like, I don't wanna lie. KFC trading hours. Close at 10. Wow, I didn't know. But still, I'm super duper hungry. Like, I'm super duper hungry. And anyways, let us go.
Things, 'cause I got big deals and I got little things. Got everything I'm asking for you. Stop making a big deal out of the little thing. Let's get carried away. Come right now, you know where I stand. I just wanna see you're mine, you're mine. I just wanna see you're mine, you're mine.
Meters make a left.
So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I am going out with my friend Chapelo to try sushi, and I'm going to get myself a haircut. So yeah, that's what's up, period.
Now, after 3 hours, I was so tired. Love it. Period.
So Nijani guys, today is Sunday and I'll be closing off this vlog. I think it'll be up by Wednesday or Thursday because I still have to edit it, you know. So today's Sunday and I'm gonna clean. You're gonna clean with me. My apartment is a bit dirty, I don't wanna lie. This week was very stressful in terms of me having things to do, you know. And reason being, I didn't schedule things out. I just knew it was okay, on this day I'll be doing this, I'll be doing that. But I didn't have a solid plan for it. So that's why I didn't have time to, guys, I'm not naked, please. That's why I didn't have a solid plan as to what will I be doing. So I have to sort that out. So today, NJ, I'm cleaning and Gapera. You're gonna cook with me, clean with me, period. My house is a mess. Like, I don't want to sit here and be like, here's me cleaning. It is so hot. So OOTD. This is our cleaning OO. You know, we are slaying and cleaning.
So hi loves, I had to incorporate a voiceover for this clip because my voice was not audible. So yeah, my kettle was on. It's a whole maza. So I think here I was showing you the ingredients that I used: flour, sugar, salt, and this is the yeast I used and the flour. Okay, here I was complaining that I don't have flowers. Yeah, period. And if you do follow me on TikTok, you'll know that this was my second attempt because the first one, it flopped as hell. So yeah.
So this is a mini haul. I bought this glass at Pip. It was 16 rands. And I bought this cup because my cup broke. It was 23 rands. And then I bought this
dishcloth. It was 13 rands. And I bought this and clean for 10 rand. I bought these gloves. Oh, they look so lovely. I love them. So yeah, my favorite part of this haul is this glass, obviously. Guys, look at it. I'm still gonna wash these dishes. Good. Looks so good. Yeah, well. And I also love this cup, but it's great for coffee and some matcha. But personally, I want the glass cup. I want it. So yeah, this is my haul. And I also bought this at Pip. It was 50 something rands. I put my sugar here. And yeah.